You guys on TikTok. What's up, Azar? Can you please let me know? US 30, baby. I know, right? That's what I'm in right now. Azar, can you please let me know? What's up, Kareem? If TikTok holds up and how it looks to you today? Because, yeah, I'm not really. We have brand new internet. I'm excited. It's the Viastat. It kind of sucky, but if it works, all the better. It's all I care about if this thing works. I can stay on for a little bit of time. No rush this afternoon. Probably not going to stay in. Oh, no, you're not invited and we're not joining a live. Thank you, though. All right, I got to get myself up on YouTube here a quick second. So now I have 3 internets into my one home. 2 cable and 1, whatever the hell you call that thing where it's through the satellite, I guess. Thank you all for the peel. That was awesome. I got to redo the one for this morning because they gave it back to me. So good old YouTube. Okay, it looks like my original internet's running slow. Really, really hope the YouTube works here right now. I don't want to have to deal with much. I guess I should change this to live trading. And we'll save that over here. All right. Hi, everybody on TikTok. Hi, everybody on YouTube. I think we're there. The internet that I currently have is slow. The other one is fast from my other house. And we're currently in one trade for $14,000. It's a 1.0 lot size sell US 30, and it was made this morning. I called this trade out, rode this trade out, and actually took this trade with you. And that's what this is. This is the 1 minute, 1 minute buy stop, right? To the 5 minute blue line. Now it's a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the to the NAS blue line. You can see clearly that we are now below the NAS red line. And that's where I told you guys we were going this morning. Was anybody here this morning when I said that? What's up, Dr. Bianca Adams? What's up, Ryan Saman? What's up, Georgie? What's up, Lazarus? Vanilla? What's up, Philly? What's up, Solace? Thank you, Azar. Azar, I need to make you a moderator over there. What's up? Can you guys see and hear me okay on TikTok? Please let me know. It's running through Viastat, an internet provider. I have no idea if it's going to work or not. I'm kind of hoping it does. Really hoping it does. But I did want to document the fact that the trades I called out this morning at 7:30 a.m. Everyone here, anyone here from this morning? Good morning or good afternoon, Crystal Hudson. Good afternoon, Georgie. Good afternoon. I can hear you. Yes. Except my apologies came through just as your message did. What's up, Eric? Oh, I don't see anything from you to accept your apologies, Eric. Norman Sainden. Oh, you heard. Thank you, Norman. It's in and out. I think your reception is not so good. See, that makes sense. Well, it's the best I got. Let's hope the video says perfect sound. Oh, really? So it is perfect sound? Well, let me scoot a little closer to it. Maybe that'll help too. I don't know. All right, guys. Well, it is what it is. So hopefully this will work. I was here in the morning too. And yes, you called out the trades. Thank you, Arlene. Hi, Arlene Magumbe. Okay, Pooby. It just cut out. No. The video cut out? No. The video cut out on TikTok. Are you kidding me? This is totally different internet. Wow, I think TikTok's doing something. It can't be bad on 3 different internets, can it? 2 different cables, internets, and one thing, and it cut out? Oh, this is brand new. Dude, this was just installed. Oh, my God. What's the point of having the Viastat backup internet if it can't even run TikTok? Wow. This is scary. What the fuck? Why is TikTok so hard to run through either my computer or a phone? Wow, I only have one hope. If I run this new stuff through the wow, that's fucked up. Dang on. I don't know what else to do. Three internets. I'm paying through about almost $400 a month for internet, and I can't get one of them to work. That is terrible. Wow. Well, guess that's not going to work. Let's go back over to this one. Dang on it. And it's the 24G, whatever the hell that means. Wow. That's terrible. Well, I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Eris regular one. Yep, we're connected there. Dang on it. It couldn't even last fucking like 5 minutes. Wow. I wonder if it really is something to do with TikTok. Damn, I can't believe there's 3 internet servers, or whatever they are, that can't handle it. How is that humanly possible? It's just TikTok. Wow, that's crazy. All right, I should be back up on TikTok. Azar, if you happen to join me again over there, if you don't mind, let me know if it goes down again, please. Sorry. Wow. Damn, TikTok. Because see, on my end, I still see the picture. So that's what's scary. On my end, I still see a picture. On your guys' end, it freezes up. So I can't see it. Wow. That is nutty. Okay. What's up, Jules? What's up, Lewis? Yeah. Anybody wants to give me a heads up when it goes bad, let me know. Shocking Life says, Amazon this morning, when you called the 1 hour sell, I placed it, made money. Thank you, God, Kevin. Thank you. Yeah. Good job, Shocking Life. Congratulations. Wonder if TikTok recognizes your IP and doesn't like the truth. Maybe use a VPN. Not sure if it'll help. Thank you, Eric. I will try that. But I do believe I have 2 different IP addresses at the minimum. When I tell you I have 3 different internets here, I have an internet coming from my other house. I ran a super long cable to it, cord to it. Then I have internet here, like actually here, both through the through a cable company. And then I have internet through Viastat. So I don't understand. I don't think it's the same IP because I'm using different phones. I'm using, isn't IP addressed to each router or something? Or is it to each? I don't know. But if it's to a router, well, I have 3 different routers coming into this house. Oy, oy, oy. Good afternoon, Comster. Oh, geez, it keeps dropping. We're up $18,000. This is that US 30 trade I placed and left it alone. I was actually on my phone with my brother. And I said, hey, Mike, that call from this morning triggered in. And as I was talking to Mike, there's the 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 1 hour NAS blue line. I couldn't be any more specific. I said 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue lines. And they all did the buy stops and they all went up to the 5 minutes. And now they're all going down to the 1 hour NAS. That's the proof. You can see on the 1 hour that it's below it. And then literally in my last video, I called these trades out. So there's that. There's that. There's that. There's that. What do you think about that? And I keep forgetting to change this. Let me delete this right here. Let me get rid of this too. Okay, there we go. At least you can see that. I don't know how long it's going to stay on TikTok, but good luck with that. Thank you, Azar, for the heads up. If you can do that again for me, I would appreciate it. Yeah, I would appreciate it. This is crazy. Anywho, here we go. Now, let's say good afternoon to everybody here. Sorry. Good afternoon, Dr. Bianca Adams. Good afternoon, Arlene Magumbe. Good afternoon, Eric. Thank you for speaking up, Arlene. Good afternoon, Abil Kashu. Good afternoon, Stephen Cowie. Good evening. Another winning day. I'm so glad for you, Stephen. Afi Muhammad. Good afternoon, my brother. Audio and visual are great. Thank you. Yeah, that's off of my other home internet. So remember, yeah, TikTok video cut for sure. Yeah, thank you. Sydney. Driver, hope they're not targeting me too. And I hope they don't come after any of you. Sala says no TikTok. Yes, sir. I see money only. Shash says, God bless you too, Shash. Jury Frickle, hello. What's up, Jury? Let's see. Shocking Life, the Amazon. I'm very happy for you, Shocking Life. Congratulations, my friend. I wonder if TikTok, I hope they don't. TikTok is back up. Yeah, totally different. Yes, Starlink, but I refuse to pay more than $400 for internet for 3 different internet places. Yeah, the IP is definitely different. Thank you, Jury. Patrick says, oh my God, wow. Just got on and wow. Cooter. Oh, yeah, Cooter, where you been? Where you been, Cooter? What's up, PK? That man's his name is the funniest one out there. What's up, Jared, Astro, J. Paul? Good afternoon. High time, set and forget. Absolutely, I forgot about it, Patrick. Literally talking to my brother, and there it was. I was like, "What? Where? What? I didn't remember entering the trade." There it is. Sorry, I thought I had it up. $19,000 right now on that trade from this morning. Please, people, if you like money, figure out how to get the system. I know, right? And the holder part's what's funny. Naz is melting. They're all melting. Yes, sir. Okay, so here we go. What do we have going on? Let's take a look. Literally this morning, I wrote down at about 7:30, 7:45 this morning, these lines. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line. As you all know, the 1 minutes happened first. And then I called out 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the 1 hour NAS blue line. So let's take a look at the NAS blue line. I was able to make these calls of this incredible scanner right here. The 1 minute, 5 minutes were going up. We knew that one, but I was able to call because the NAS was green and the other two were red on the 1 hour. So the NAS was a red, was a green, sorry. So let's take a look. You can see clearly that it went below it. And then let's take a look again over here. And let me get rid of this. Let me pull this over a little bit. I forgot we have more room now. Let's go over to here. And USA. Okay, we're going to have to move that too then. Get that out of the way. Sure. This is US 30. This is NAS. And this is SPX. Okay. So when I said that, NAS was not down there. Okay. And then I said, we're going to call it there. And lo and behold, that's where it went. You see this trade that's open right now? This is a US 30 lot 1 size with an account over $50,000. I'm not going to get into specifics because some people don't care if I tell how much money is in there. Other people care a lot if they tell how much money in there. Here as it is. There's my entry right here as I laid it out. I literally put this trade down this morning live with you, forgot completely about it, and was talking and training with my brother, Mike. And as I was training with him, it engaged. Hey, Mike, that trade engaged. Holy crap. I wonder if we're making any money on it. And $19,000 later, that's it. Here's when the order was made. Let me make sure on a couple of things there. Yep, we're good. We're good. There you go. This is the order type. This is the time in. This is the order type. This is the size. This is the symbol. This is the price. I don't have a take profit. I have a stop loss because my take profits are my stop losses. Well, I'll rephrase that. My stop losses are my take profits. We're currently up about 18 grand on the trade. It is a 1.0 lot. That means it's up about 18, 19, 20 pips. And there you go. And that's your trade. I'm going to leave that here, let it run a little bit. I'm not in any rush. I only have about a 62. Did I say 18 pips? 188 pips. Sorry. We're up 193 pips. Sorry. If it was 8, it would be 800. This is 19,000. So it's 190 pips. 193 pips is what we're up right now. So, yep, you can place your trades just like this. NAS did it. SPX did it. US 30. All the buy stops were perfect. The 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops, perfect. There you go. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day. Yes, it works the same on TradingView. Right here. Doop. TradingView is the exact same thing. Let me make sure you can see this over here, though. right there. That is our TradingView charts. Let me move it over a little bit more on this way. TradingView is exceptional for the smaller time frames. I love it on the 30-second, 1 minute. This is a 30-second, 1 minute sell stop. Actually, you can see it live. How do you trade? It's so easy. It might look bright and colorful and complicated, but let me assure you it is not. All you do is the flat line on the 1 minute down, the blue line, and 2 is this one arched up. If you see that the 3 and 4 is the pink up and the 4 is a sell stop confirmation, and they are, but none of that matters. All that matters is 1 and 2. That's all you need to know. Can you see 2 blue lines? Can you not see 2 blue lines? Can you trade 2 blinds? Can you not trade 2 blue lines? That's up to you if you can see that. If you can see this trade right here, I can't grab that for some unknown reason, I swear to God. Me and TradingView has a learning curve of a love-hate relationship at this point. But anyway, 1, the higher time frames down low. 2, the faster time frames up high. 1 minute, 30 seconds, sell, stop, and it went down. TradingView is amazingly accurate. It helps me out so much with my 30-second, 1 minute entries. It's godlike. It's been a godsend. Can't thank it enough, really. It's been a blessing. Personally, I still like the MetaTrader 4 charts, but TradingView is slowly but surely growing on me. Yes, Billy's story is on YouTube. I can pull it up for if you like. TradingView is awesome. JA Digital. I'm glad you like it so much. I'm learning to like it. 310 for life. You're frozen. No, we're frozen on TikTok again. Oh, come on. Oh, no, it is not frozen on TikTok again. You need to plug in directly from the outside box fiber cable modem into your modem, then bypass the router and plug directly in from the modem into the computer. Okay, I can't do that from the one. I can from the other. You need to plug in directly from the outside box. Fiber cable into modem. I don't have fiber, though, into modem. Then bypass the router and plug directly in from the modem into the computer. Yes, I do that. From the modem into the computer is correct. You also called the gold 4 hours. I don't know. Did that work out, Philly? Great call. I messed up on the execution and the 1 hour sell stop on NAS. No, TikTok is fine. Oh, thank God, Philly. So let me see he's saying something that maybe I called the gold. Let's see. The gold was 4. Let's see. I called a 4 hour sell stop. Oh, I didn't call it right if I did. That sure doesn't look right. Let's see. 4 hour sell stop on gold. Let's head over there. No, that doesn't look like something. If I called it, I'm wrong. That doesn't look like something I would call. 1 minute sell currently. 5 minute. There's a 5 minute. This was an earlier 15 minute, 30 minute buy. 1 hour buy. 4 hour. Why is there someone over at my house? Whenever you hear those alarms, that's just me knowing someone's doing things around my properties. I have a lot of alarms around my properties. Daily, weekly. Well, I don't know. I'm sorry if I miscalled gold for you. I apologize for that. Let's smash that thumbs up, folks. No, TikTok is fine. Great call. I messed up on execution. You were frozen a little while ago, says Lazarus. Good for me. All right, cool. Can you trade any stock? Yes. Thank you for asking. Let's take a look. You can trade any stock. Yay. Hold on a second. I love when people ask what we can trade with this because, boy, we have rules. And with those rules comes amazing shit. One of the most amazing things you're going to see is this. Woohoo! You get to see the most amazing scanner coded by Keith Palmer, by the way. Can't speak highly enough, Keith. He took my trading system and coded it to trade over 200 different symbols on a scanner. And we actually have another gentleman by the name of Michael, who coded the TradingView to be able to trade also, but doesn't do it automatically, semi-automatically, the scanner does. But there's 1,000 symbol it works on. Our system works on indices. Look at them all. This is a scanner that's trading all 8 time frames at once. It works on Forex. majors and crosses. It trades 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, weekly and monthly, all daily, weekly, monthly. There's one right there in New Zealand. All of these, all at the same time. So if you like to trade more, there's one. ADA, USD, sell stop 1 minute. Dash, sell stop 1 minute. It trades all of these at all times, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on your cryptos. Stocks obviously are limited to the time they're open. Look at them all, 55 different stocks. So we trade everything. Anything you can chart on MetaTrader 4, it's trading nearly. And then anything you can trade on TradingView, it trades all 1,000 symbols as accurately as you just saw me make money on this one. That's incredible. It's psychotically incredible, actually. Let me get rid of this. So, yep, and this is the TradingView one. You can plug in any one of 1,000. No, I didn't try 1,000 symbols. So if TradingView is lying about 1,000 symbols, I can't help you. But this is what it trades. This is NASDAQ right here, for instance. It's so beautiful. Boom, boom, boom. Perfection the system is. I can test from my... Sydney Runwell, stop it. Scanner subscriber here. I can testify my blank holdings increased substantially within days of purchase. Moneyfall knows, can you trade any stock with it? Yes, we can. You can trade any stock, any Forex with it, any crypto with it. That's on our, anything you can plot on MetaTrader 4 and or on your TradingView, it can trade it. Yes, sir. Okay. Let me refresh my TikTok because I'm so nervous it already went down again. No, please. I hope not. All right. If anybody has any questions, please ask. If anybody would like to call in, please call in. I have no trouble talking to people. I'm here to help you in any way possible. If you're going to be a douche about things, be prepared to get you'll be handled accordingly. Okay. So if anybody has any questions, you can email them in. Our limit on time you can trade. On time you can trade? Cryptos are 24/7. It works on cryptos 27 days, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I don't think there's any. You can trade anything at any time. Period. As long as you see this exact setup, whether this setup that you see with the one right here with the blue line down low and then the blue line arched up against us for a sell. This is a sell. Whenever you see this, whether this is on a 30-second, 1 minute, which this is, whether this is on a 5-minute, 15-minute charts, whether this is on a 30-minute, 1 hour charts, whenever you see this setup for a sell, it makes money. So this is a 30-second, 1 minute NAS. And you can see clearly that it did it. Well, look over here. You can go over to US 30 today, go to the 30-minute, and go over to the US 30 today, and go to the 1 hour. Oh, sorry. This is a 1 hour. My bad. 1 hour, 4 hour. You come over here to the 1 hour, 4 hour. You can clearly see this is low, and you can clearly see that this is high. The same. This is a 1 hour, 4 hour US 30, and I just showed you in this chart the exact same formation for NAS on a 30-second, 1 minute. High blue, low blue. Let's go over to 1 hour US 30, high blue, low blue. That's all it is. I called these trades out several hours ago at 7:30 a.m. You're now reaping the rewards at 4:30 a.m. 4:30 p.m. 4:30 a.m. That's all. It's that easy. Yep. I dumbed the system down to 2 lines. Learning every day. Soon we'll be in the money bags. Yes, you will, Arlene. I'm still seeing haters going to hate my head. But switch to scanner is going to scan. I like that better too. Yes, you will, Arlene. Yes, Arlene will. All right. Any other questions before I get rolling? I'm not going to stay on long. I highly recommend, if you haven't gone over to the YouTube channel, to head over there. It's much more stable on YouTube, much more stable when the scammers aren't trying to scam me. And that guy got reported. So hopefully he's been taken down for being a hater. Safety Trade System, the Safety Trade is my YouTube channel name. 2.98 thousand subscribers, 721 videos. literally, and just doing the very best I can to help you guys make money each and every day. And we have been. So I'm thinking pretty good so far. Haters gonna hate. Haters gonna hate. Hate me up. All right. If anybody has any more questions, please ask. You can email those in also. If you don't have any more questions, that's fine. Oh, I see why I can't do that. Dang it. All right, that's fine. Hate me up. If you don't like my channel, just please move on. I don't care. I don't want any negative vibes here. Just move on. We're here all having a good time, enjoying ourselves. Yep, we have a Discord. Nope, you'll never get into it. We have a very active Discord, actually. Hundreds and hundreds of people in there, but the only people that can get in there are the people who purchased. So the only way you'll ever get into the Discord is by purchasing the system. The Discord is amazingly helpful. It's filled with beautiful people in there, kind people that help people. And we will not have it ever with the general public. We tried that one time. That is never occurring again. God almighty. We do call outs. You do your results. Trade recap picks over here. Yep. We have a very, very nice Discord. They're all helpful in there. Perfect. Here's one right here. I don't know. Somebody made looks like several hundreds of good trades. Here's another one with his winning percentage. Holy shit. I don't think he had a loss. So there you go. And then some more. Here's some more. There's $106. Awesome job. I think that's Saul's fantastic job. There's the clown that tried to report us. There he is. We got him taken care of. Where are we at? So yeah, that's all. And then there's all kinds. Safety trade call outs, trading room. Yeah, we have a very active Discord. They're very friendly, very nice people. Again, I'm not going to allow people in there that are douchebags. We don't have that. We have kind people. They're trying to help people, trying to help you all make money. That's what we do. If you want to buy the system, head on over to here to thesafetytrade.com. That's where you head to, right there. And that little logo that you see, the bull with those two little lines on its back, that's the only thing we trade. People confuse everything. The red is our down logo, but that's the actual way we trade. The green is our up arrow, and that's a logo, and that's what we trade also. That's it. Gonna trade. And we're in the money. And you're in the money about, I don't know, what are we in the money about? 17 or something? Yeah, 17,000 right now. One trade, US 30, lot, 1.0 lot, through Eagle FX, through an account that has over 50 grand. And this is a bigger account and more medium-sized account than my small ones I used to trade. Do your training in the evening? No. I'm proud. Yes, Steven, I'm proud to have you there, my brother. What's up, Zim? Al, we do training. So let's say you go over here and purchase a system, $575 for the year. You get $575 for the year. After that, you get a type form. The type form walks you through everything to do. In the type form, you'll see that your training is in small group live classes trained by me. It's 1:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Mondays. I don't care if you have to take off of work. This is more important than anything. You want to be freed from having to go into your 9 to 5. Well, here's a way to do it. We've had dozens and dozens of people, if not more, break free. Kimberly Harrington would be one that comes to mind. Tommy can quit anytime. Goroff did quit. Any one of these people can just they can walk away. Patrick is about to walk away. He's made over 600,000. Phil has retired. Oh, I forgot. Somebody wanted me to look up Billy's story. Hold on a second. Let me look up Billy's story here on YouTube. Billy, the safety trade, and see what comes up here. Sorry, forgot someone asked for that. Here it is. If Billy R story doesn't inspire you to get the system, nothing will. It's right there. Just type in what I said. Who was that? SDJ? Yeah, it's right there. Billy went from homeless. He tells you all about it. He went from living in his car, having to trade after hours in a library, being let in by a friend to use the internet from a library, using his last little monies he had. He bought the system. He never asked me a question. I didn't know he was homeless. I would have helped, at least lowered the price or something for him. I had no idea. So yeah, Billy went ahead and bought the system with his last monies. He then was living out of his car. He snuck into the library after hours and hooked up the system to their computers, traded after hours. He turned $50 into $2,000 into his personal savings account. He turned $50 into $9,000 into trading account. He took $50 and trading after hours and got his own apartment. Billy has his own apartment now. He has his own computer now. He has his own internet now. He took $50 and pulled himself up out of being homeless. What's your excuses now? What's your excuses? None of you are in that situation. None of you. We're all blessed beyond comprehension. There's another gentleman named Zira. Kevin is his name, Zira. He also was homeless. He also got himself out of being homeless using the system. None of you have an excuse. Not me, not you, not your friend, not your neighbor. None of you. You can buy the system. You can learn the system. You can get your training done on Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, just like Billy did. Then I do continuing ed at 2:30, just like Billy goes to. He was homeless, living out of his car after a divorce. He was not in a good headspace mentally. He pulled himself up through the safety trade system and is no longer homeless. Whatever. I'm sure some of you are going to have something. Yeah, but what's your P&L? And can I log into your thing? And can I do? And can you prove me? And can you do this? And can you do that? Every excuse in the world other than to just buy the system, learn it, and trade. That's what you guys will come. The failures, that's what you do. You'll come up with any excuse not to get the system or not to succeed at the system. The system is foolproof. The people who make mistakes are me and you. The system doesn't make a mistake. Best investment you ever do. Thanks, James Bob, for speaking up without being asked. Welcome, Vicinity Bob. Oh boy, internet probably went down on that blink. Hi from Ireland. What's up, Stephen? Signing up today. Oh, awesome. Everyone welcome Vicinity Bob. Everyone welcome Vicinity Bob. Van City Bob. I'm saying his name wrong, I'm sure. Buffalo Bill. What's up, Buffalo Bill? I took off work. That is correct. Many people take off work. Thank you, Buffalo Bill, for being here. Thank you, Zim, for being here. Welcome. Can everyone welcome Van City Bob? I call him Vicinity Bob. SDJ. There you are, SDJ. Yes. I found that for you. It's right there. Kim, the Gold Queen, retired too. Yes, she did. Welcome, Bob, says Sandro. Here, let me pull up the welcomes from people for you. Everybody, welcome Van City Bob. I'm sure I'm slaughtering his name. I am horrible with names. I'm a horrible speller, and I'm horrible with names. There you go. You can type in Billy, thesafetytrade.com. You can type in Phil. Phil's the opposite. Phil had a great government job, making $140,000 a year. Phil made 440,000 euros his first. I'm sorry, he made over 33,000 euros his first month trading, ever trading anything. God, makes me sick to think about. All right, let's take a look. Is everyone welcoming Bob? Let's see. What about Bob? Here you go, Bob. Let's see if people are welcoming. I hope they are. I told you how nice they are. Let's see. Yes. Kim, the Gold Queen. Yes. I'm back. What's up, CyberX? Welcome back, my brother. Made 70 pips on oil. 15-minute sell stop was too easy, says Steph. Nice, Steph. Congratulations. Sandra, welcome, Bob. Philly, hey, Bob, welcome. Crystal Hudson, welcome, Bob. Health, Family Wealth, Eric, welcome, Bob. That's the best decision you ever make, says Sandro. Welcome, Bob, says Tom. Thank you, guys, very much. You don't want to make everybody welcome. You all know how it was your first day at school. Tom Williams, welcome. Jerome Art. Astro J. Paul, welcome, Bob. Thank you. Self, welcome, Bob. Welcome, new members. Take your time. Learn the system. Watch your training religiously. Don't trade real money until you're ready for it. Some people do that. Very few people do. They're all hyper. They want to put real money on the line. They lose, but whatever. Sydney, welcome. Thank you so much, Sydney. Thank you, guys. So there you go, Bob. There's your welcome. Thank you, Constant. Thank you, Raj. Thank you, James Bond, for welcoming him. Thank you, Buffalo Bill, for welcoming him. Yeah, we'll just call him Bob. I don't want to slaughter his name. Hey, coach, can you go over the sniper one more time? NAS 1 minute, 5 minutes. Absolutely. I absolutely right on the money accounts. Grease Monkey. Yep. I listened to Jason L on that. Freaking love the movie. What About Bob? I know, wasn't it funny as fuck? Oh my God. What About Bob was so funny. NAS 1 minute. Doop. NAS 5 minutes. Doop. 5 minute. Doop. NAS 1 minute. Doop. All right. You want me to do a trade on NAS 5 minute, 1 minute? Let's take a look and see if one happened. I don't know. What about Bob? Yeah, right here. Oh my gosh, the easiest thing on earth. This is a sniper trade. Oh my goodness, this is perfection. You guys want, well, it's the first time it happens. That's the first time you should do it. This isn't the first time it happened right here for the first time, but let's keep going. All right, this is all you got to learn to trade. A, first of all, you have to unlearn everything to relearn the correct way of trading. So A is buy the system, $575 for the year. B is pay the $150 a month to buy the sniper system if you want. That's up to you totally. But B is where we're going to make the money. Watch. Price action comes down on the 5 minute NAS chart. What does that mean? Well, I don't know, but this little blue line comes down. I said price action, didn't I? Look, it comes down. This is all you got to look for. Is it flat? It sure is. So this is number one. You see it? It's flat. Number two, does the 1 minute, which is right here, blue line arch up? I dumb the system down. So you no longer have to do red, 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 green, red, red, or some version of that. I went from about 7 indicators down to 2. I made it so you never have to do support and resistance again. I made it so you never have to use Fibonacci retracement, even though I tried the Fibonacci retracement ungodly amount of time. You never have to worry about trend lines. You never have to worry about naming of candles and candle patterns, stupidest thing ever made. Next to that is Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci's. You never have to worry about volume or VWAP again. VWAP again. You never have to worry about look to the left, ascending, descending wedges. None of that works. 1% of the time it works. How do I know? Because less than 1% of retail traders make money. Google it. Type in, do less than 1% of retail traders make money? The answer will come up, yes. Less than 1% of, but we all were trade. I lost money trying Fibonacci retracement. I lost money doing all that stupid shit except for naming of candles. I thought that was just stupid. But I lost money for 5.5 years, $26,500. Finally, I had freaking enough of it. And I said, enough of that shit. And eventually, even though as soon as I placed one fucking trade, it would turn against me, I started getting a trade right here or there, maybe once a week, to be honest with you. And I said, well, how did I get that right? What did I do to make that right? And then I kept at it and 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 kept at it. Loss after loss after loss, thousands of dollars after thousands of dollars lost. If I'd have given up after 5.5 years, none of you would be here raping and receiving the greatness of the system. None of you would be here doing that. But I didn't quit, and I kept going. And then I dumbed it down to 7 indicators. Then I dumbed it down to 2. If you can see the blue line's flat on the 5 minute and the blue line's arched on the 1 minute, you can trade. What are the rest of these ones? Well, all we worry about then is at that point, did 3 come up? Did this blue line, pink line come up? Number 4, did this form a safety trade? And I'm going to tell you, because my brother-in-law actually wrote, my brother wrote this down in my family. When you see the Bach break, what is the Bach? The most important indicator in the history of the world. What does it look like right here? When you see this Bach break right here, this stands for Brianna, Olivia, Katie, and Kevin, the 3 most important women in my life that I love the most in my life right there. It stands for BOKK. Everything's going to be okay. But this is actually the Bach indicator. When this breaks, and on the 5 minute, it doesn't break, that is worth 1,000 confirmations. I can get you up to 25. But if I wrote this down and my brother wrote this down, you all need to write this down. When the Bach breaks against the non-Bach break equals 1,000 confirmations. He said he didn't understand it. How else can I explain it? There's the 1 minute Bach broken. Here is the 5 minute Bach non-broken. How much more can I explain it? Broken. It went from red to green. Non-broken. It stayed red. How much more clearer can I make that statement so you guys can understand it? Do you all understand the Bach breaking on the 1 minute versus the non-Bach breaking on the 5 minute? Yes or no? Alex Felicia took that save earlier. Yes. Answer. This isn't a rhetorical question. Answer the question. Do you understand when you see the 1 minute Bach break versus the 5 minute non-Bach break? Yes or no? What's up, Green Mountain? Did you come up with the system? How did you come up with it? What inspired you, buddy? I kind of explained that. And what inspired me to keep going was my youngest daughter had epilepsy, still has seizures, but not anymore. She had epilepsy. She had to take Lamictal as part of her treatment, although going keto and going wheat-free and getting her Atlas is what's really helped her. Ultimately, the Lamictal stopped 50% of her seizures, but the rest of that stuff, the all-natural stuff, stopped the other 50. And then seizure-free. And then she has to take Lamictal. So because she had to take Lamictal, she couldn't sleep at night, which means she had to get a third shift job. And I did not want my daughter working a third shift job. So I stuck at this for 5.5 years of losing until I figured it out. Everyone gave up on me. Everyone gave up on me. My brother, my sister, my children, except for one person. My wife, Bri, at the time was my fiance. She didn't give up on me. She believed in me. I don't know if you ever had your whole entire family give up on you before, but it's not a good feeling. But I didn't fucking care. I'm stubborn as a mule. And I beg God to bless me with the knowledge to make a system that I can make money so my daughter can make money. And everyone gave up on me. Everyone, all my friends. And I had very few. It's shocking when you aren't doing well, what happens to your friends. 90% of them leave. But Chris stayed. He gave up on me. John Verrilli stayed. He gave up on me. No one believed I can do it. They all said, no, I'll give up. It's too hard. There's no way you can do it. Everybody except for Bri. Bri was the wind beneath my wings. She kept at it. She kept saying, you can do it. She believed in me. 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 And because for Liv, my youngest daughter, I had to make the system work. And then I kept the system for myself for the first, couple of years. Then I unleashed it on TikTok for free 1.5 years ago, maybe a little longer. No one took me seriously then, so I started charging for it. And then I went on YouTube a little over 1 year ago now, and I documented every trade. And I perfected the system to those 7 indicators, but you guys still had trouble with entries. Not most of you, some of you did. So then I dumbed it down to 2 lines, 2 blue lines. And they're blue after my mom, who's recently passed about 2 years ago. And her favorite color was blue. And these lines are blue because of that. And then I just kept going. And now I'm trying to get it out there to help all of you get your money back from those scumbags who take it from us. And when you win in Forex, when you win trading with my system, you're not taking money away from other people. Remember that. You're taking money out of the biggest Forex players, which the biggest Forex players are. What do you think? Vanguard, BlackRock, all your different banks. They all take your money and they use it to trade against you. 99% of all retail traders fail. My system is... Billy's win rate, I think, is 94% or something. I know Phil's win rate is 94. I know a couple of our guys in the community that are 96, 92. So, yeah, we're slightly better than a 1% win rate. I would be pissed as hell. I would have to jump through the computer if you were at a 1% win rate. But at any rate, that's my story. That's why I did it. That's why you guys are getting it. And that's it. And some of you are like, oh, look at the hater today trying to report me on YouTube. I'm here every day giving you free signals and free money. You know how many thousands and tens of thousands of dollars I can charge for my signals? I'm fucking have 100% win rate. I don't charge for a day. Not every trade is a win. I get that. I lose one every 2 or 3 weeks. But my daily win rate is at 100% documented on YouTube. You know how much money I can charge for signals for that? Through the roof. But I don't. I come on here free every day trying to help you win. Trying to avoid the haters. It's one thing to doubt. It's another thing to be a hater. They crack me up. Anyway, wow, that's a beautiful story of parents' love. Oh, thanks. Oh, great. We're frozen again. I swear, I think TikTok has a thing against me. I don't know how they're getting it other than my direct account. They must know I'm going live through my account. Because there's no way 3 internets could be all down at the same time. That's silly. No, it doesn't look frozen. Whoa, I'm still live. Am I not live on TikTok? I just refreshed it. It looks like I'm still there. Sydney Robin, when the block breaks, the cradle will fall on sell stops. So Sydney Robin, oh, you're funny, Sydney. Yes, 1,000 confirmation. That's correct, Tom. Yes, Green Mountain. Oh, wow. Good. It stopped. God bless her. Yes. Thank God. That's all that matters in this world is my children and my wife, period. Of course, my rest of my family, but I'm just saying those in particular. Wow. I'm going to have to switch computers, it looks like. Sydney Romo, this is my story too. The night before I found Kev, my entire family was telling me to quit. There you go. I hear you, Sydney, and I didn't. I hope you don't either, but that's up to you, my man. I really hope nothing, you can stick with it. All right. Why do I hear stuff outside my house? Yes, you are. Oh, okay. Thank you, DVD Zalata. You good. Thank you. Did you expect NAS to dip that way, sir? To dip that way? Yeah, we expect everything. We got it. It's really good. All good. All good here. Good. Still good. Awesome. Now let me check one thing to see what my alarms are going off for. I got more house alarms all over the damn place. They're sound coded. Oh boy. Let me see. All right. Well, I'm probably going to go anyways. TikTok, any questions before I go? Any questions before I go on TikTok? Going once. Any questions before I go? Shiro, Philly, Comster, Raj, James Bond. Any questions before I go? Twice, going 3 times. All right. YouTube. Any questions before I go on YouTube? Anything before I go? God bless you all on TikTok. Have a great evening. Probably won't be on later. YouTube. Any questions before I go? Thank you, Comster. You have a good night too, my brother. I should tell Azar's story too. Yeah, I know some of you guys hear my story too often. I apologize. People ask, I say it. I study your videos every spring. Says Sydney. Awesome. Do well this morning. Got gutted before close. Got gutted before. I don't know if that's good or bad. I always will have your back. Thank you, Sydney. Can everyone please hit the thumbs up? Have 48 people watching. Yeesh, that's pretty bad. Thanks, bro. You're welcome, Sydney. Bob Uton. Thank you. Do you expect the 3 news to continue to dip? I don't know. 1 minute sell stops are forming. Yeah, I guess. I'm not really going to call anything. We've made fantastic money all day long. Every call that was called out this morning made money. The NAS 1 minute buy stops, 5 minutes did perfect. The 1 hour, 4 hour sell stops, you're making money right now. I'm good. I don't know if anything's going to do anything. I'm good. I've done enough today. We're good. All right, YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can figure out how to close this thing. Not that one. Shit, where'd it go? Not that one. Is it this one? Yes, this one is it. All right, let's see. Y'all have a great night. God bless y'all. Country Blood, bad. But thank you all the same. Well, I'm sorry, Country Blood. I hope things turn better for you. Check you tomorrow, Kev. Good thing, CyberX. Glad you're back. All right. Y'all have a great evening. God bless y'all. Lord willing, we'll get together tomorrow and have some more fun, make some more money, take it away from them.